The Akko wireless gaming mouse Capybara is a delightful addition to any gamer's setup, blending functionality with an adorable design that stands out. With a charming capybara theme, this mouse not only catches the eye, but also enhances your computing experience, making it a perfect choice for those who appreciate a touch of whimsy in their tech. The cute shape and playful aesthetics create a fun atmosphere, especially for those long gaming sessions. One of the standout features of this mouse is its impressive wireless connectivity. Operating on a 2.4 GHz frequency, it offers a reliable connection up to 33 feet, allowing for freedom of movement without the hassle of tangled cords. The plug-and-play setup is incredibly straightforward, as it comes with a USB receiver stored within the mouse itself. Simply install the battery, insert the receiver into your device, and turn on the switch to enjoy immediate responsiveness. This ease of setup is perfect for anyone looking to get gaming or working quickly without fumbling through complicated instructions. Performance-wise, the optical movement detection technology ensures precision and accuracy, which is crucial for competitive gaming. Whether you're navigating through menus or engaged in intense gameplay, the mouse responds flawlessly to your movements. With a rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars from 285 ratings, it's clear that many users appreciate its blend of style and effectiveness. The Akko wireless gaming mouse Capybara is not just for gamers. It's also an excellent choice for anyone who spends a lot of time on their computer, whether for work or leisure. Its compatibility with both Mac and Windows systems means that it can be seamlessly integrated into any setup. With a variety of colors available, including the iconic capybara design, blue and white, and the charming fortune cat, there's a style to suit every personality. Priced at $20.99, it's an affordable option for anyone looking to upgrade their mouse without breaking the bank. Overall, the Akko wireless gaming mouse Capybara is a fun, reliable, and stylish choice that proves that functionality and aesthetics can go hand in hand.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.